Okay, today it's me and Lucas, and we're watching One Guy, One Screwdriver. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't like that picture already.
Hey guys, look at my hair.
Nice hair.
Oh, hey guys, I actually got a hairdresser to do this for me. And I'm not watching this, so I'm just gonna...
Okay, dude, shut up.
Oh yeah, bye.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh my god. Oh, there's blood coming out of his dick. Look at all the blood. You can't even see it now, cause look at that. What the fuck? Who does that? Who does that kind of shit? All that blood's from his dick, man. Dude, that wasn't even... What the fuck? That was... Okay, well... Never watched that. Basically, not all it was, but what it was actually, it was really creepy, actually. It was all, like, demonic, and he started laughing while he was doing it to himself. He sat on a jar and shoved the jar up his ass. Then he put his balls into the glass and put a screwdriver up his penis, all the way up. Then he took it out. And he was bleeding a lot, and a lot, and a lot. And there was very demonic music. Don't watch that shit ever. That's like probably the most retarded one I've ever seen. Okay, well, bye.